You've been throwing vibes my way. Already know you ain't gotta say it. Never try to hide it. How could you deny it? Every time I see you be on the same old thing. Touchy-feely, ain't no shame. Checking for me way before you knew my name. But when I try to lean, you go MIA. No, I'm not crazy, babe. Chemistry is so insane. Why you playing games? You know it's so obvious to see that you want me. What's the hold up? I got places to go, I got people to see, I got things to do. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna shoot your shot and wide open? Better make a move, tick-tock, what's the motion? You already know I'm out here doing me, I'm not waiting around. So what's it gonna be? Are you gonna shoot your shot and wide open? Better make a move, tick-tock, what's the motion? What is the motion, babe? Are you gonna swing my way? You see me shining, I'm on my grind, so I don't got time to wait. I'm all on your timeline, got you tuned in like it's prime time. Zoom in, got you focused. Bet you thought I didn't notice. You be out here lurking, be more assertive. All of this flirting, maybe this could work if you weren't so nervous. Just say the word and maybe we can turn it all around. See what it's about. No, I'm not crazy, babe. Chemistry is so insane. Why you playing games? You know it's so obvious to see that you want me. What's the hold up? I got places to go, I got people work it all out, 'cause I keep breaking my heart, trying to figure out what we are. And you're making this way too hard. Baby, it's tearing me apart, because I don't know how much longer I can go without an answer. And I don't know how much longer I can act like nothing's wrong with me. I hope that you answer. No, answer me when I call, and I need you to answer. I call, I hope that you answer. No, answer me when I call. I need you to answer me when I call. Da 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 da. Ooh, I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket, 'cause I miss it. Got me wishing that we were on a vacation to the places, the secret places no one used to go but us. Like the nape of your neck and that scar I love to touch. I know you love to